Hello, this is the songbird, nature. During this time of the social distancing, because of the virus, corona, the COV19, as you can see, people are out and about, and they're still maintaining their social distancing. There are people sitting out there fishing. They're all far apart, except for the groups that are, I guess, with each other every day, like they sit on the news. As you can see, people are fishing. They got their umbrellas. There's plenty of benches down here to sit on by the water. People are distant. See that? You see the distance between them and her and that group of people who just caught the big fish. And there's a mother who's in her car. Her children are right there, distancing themselves from all the other people. See how far away she is from us, and how far away she is from that lady, and how far away that lady is again from them. So I guess instead of, you can stay home, and you can also, if you want to go out, not to a mall or anything like that where people are gathered together, but this is a good plan because people are far apart. And it's not like there's 100 people over here. That would be too much, because then there wouldn't be enough room to space out. I would say I see about 20 people all together here. About 20 people at the most, maybe 15. And they're all spread far apart. Like I said, it's a lake, nice little river. I think this is a river. Plenty of room for people to spread out. Plenty of room even on this side of the fence. Some people are sitting over here. Behind me. And there's another person coming that just walked in. And now she's going to have to walk far away from where those people are. They're way over there. See, they're far apart from each other. Plenty of room. Plenty of room to get fresh air. I noticed riding through that there were people that are home, that are out in their yard, like 5 at a time, having a cookout. There's not 15 people there, not 10. Maybe 5 people who all be together all the time in the house. So they're out in their backyard, which is far away from another person's distancing, is what I saw. The yard. There's a person over there walking so far away. See, everybody's maintaining their social distancing, which is good. Good, and it's nice to be able to get some fresh air. It's really nice for a change. I mean, I'm not an outside person, really. I mean, as far as I go is the store and my back porch before this started. And, you know, I'm agoraphobic. I am agoraphobic is what they call it. Some people who are agoraphobic can't even step out of the front door. And I've already gone through that part. So now I'm able to at least go outside to the porch. That's where I do my songbird nature videos, most of them. But right now, I'm over by the river. See? Now that person is walking far away. She had to walk far away because that lady told her, my kids are over here. I just heard her. My kids are over here, you're going to have to move away. So now she's got to find a different spot. She's got her mask on, though. 2 people are wearing their mask. Even at the lake. Even at the lake, some people have their mask on. Yeah. It's nice and quiet over here. The water running by itself over here. So nice and quiet, peaceful. The air is fresh and clean. It smells good. Of course, I'm in the shade because I can't do the sun. And when I take pictures in the sun, I just hurry up and do it inside of 30 seconds. I just take like 1,000 quick pictures, not 1,000, but you know, you get the gist of it. But today is a beautiful day, and again, people, if you want to go out and have a beautiful time, just remember to stay quarantined. Even outside you can be quarantined. Just maintain your distance. I just went to 2 stores, and in both stores, you know, they had the tape on the floor for social distancing for 6 feet apart. And just a few people at a time in the store. That's all that they're doing. A few at a time, no more. And that's great. This is real nice. It's really nice out here. You can hear music. People are far enough from each other that they can play their car stereo and still hear their own music, because of course nobody's blasting their music because everybody's being respectful. What a beautiful day. I'm sitting in the car. Some people are sitting in the car, some people aren't. I'm one of the people that are actually still sitting in the car because that's what I do. Such a beautiful day. So be sure to get out when you can. Maintain your, you know, when you get stir crazy, just maintain your social. You see somebody jogging over there. Social distancing. Make sure you maintain your social distancing. It's very important. So we all want to stay alive. You know, those of us that are still breathing. You know, those of us that are still breathing, they want to keep breathing. Follow the rules. Very simple. Wash your hands a lot. Stay safe and have a, you know, peaceful time at the same time. Nobody has to get into anyone else's space, breathing space, you know. It's so quiet. I don't hear any birds. That's funny. What a beautiful day. You see all these cars, you know, it's good. We gotta stay home most of the time, but you gotta go out to do certain things. Some things you can't avoid going out for. But as you can see, again, there's 2 people there, there's 4 there, you know, they're scattered all the way down. Everybody still has to follow. See that? That man is riding a bike with a mask on his face. He has a mask on. He's not getting near anybody while he's riding that bike. But he's still wearing that mask. He's still maintaining the rules of not spreading the virus. You see that? And he's riding alone. You see? Some people just got out of their car. They've been sitting in the car all that time. And now these people are arguing over here because this lady who just walked into the park can't find her own space, so she claims. There's plenty of space where she's not near kids, but Now the lady in the car just screamed at her, I told you to go somewhere else because you're near my kids. She's like, I'm wearing my mask. What's the problem? The problem is that lady was already sitting there with her kids before I got here. So basically now she's gonna have to put her kids, she's trying to put her kids in the car, and she's texting somebody. Maybe I hope she don't have to call the police, but that female just screamed at her and says, what's the problem? I got my mask on. And because the first time she screamed at her and told her my kids are over here. She walked all the way down this way looking for a spot, and I guess everybody down there told her the same thing. So she came back over here. And that's why that second screaming match, but oh, my phone is about to die, so peace, love, and light. Enjoy getting air without infecting someone else's. Peace, love, and light.